Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. I'm here with my good buddy Optimus Prime, checking out some brand new Tubbz sent by Numskull. Now, obviously, you probably already figured out the theme for these Tubbz. It is actually regarding Transformers, in which we have ourselves both Optimus as well as Megatron. Now, if you guys want to learn more about them, check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Oh, these are pretty cool. So we have ourselves both Transformers as he's transforming. Obviously these Tubbz don't transform, but they do look pretty darn cool. So this here is going to be our Optimus Prime. Let's go ahead and take a look at this guy. So I'm going to open this up, and then this is also licensed by Hasbro, so that's kind of cool. It does have the Transformer logo on the tub physically. And then let's pop this open here. That is so cool. Oh my god, I love it. So one thing I have to say is definitely they did a great job with it. I mean, even like down to the details, there's a lot of parts to this. It has a lot of nice sharp edges. Definitely something unique, and I think it's kind of almost has like a high gloss finish to it. I haven't really seen that with the previous Tubbz. Again, it's more of a vehicle, so it does make sense. And these are a lot more sturdier too, so it's really cool. So this obviously is in the transform state. Hey Optimus Prime, transform. Check it out, they're literally twins. So obviously this is actually a little bit more of a lighter color, but yes, definitely really cool. Now you can also even put it inside the tub like this, so that's kind of nice that you can display it that way, obviously based on your own personal preference. Let's go and take a look at Megatron. So here we are, Megatron and Optimus. Now, Megatron's a little bit different, mainly because you can see they even incorporated the beak. That is actually cool, so it does almost look more like a duck. And then even how the tail kind of comes up, that is actually really nice, and especially the two side by side definitely make a great combo. And yeah, once again, high quality, great finished material, and they're doing a phenomenal job with these. These things are definitely great in terms of collectability, and as a fan, again, once again about robotics, Transformers, as well as Tubbz, hands down, definitely well worth it. And there you guys have it. Now with that said, if you guys had any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.